Lesson 37 Ryokan and the Starfish. My dear children, this lesson is a fable. Now you know what is a fable in the lessons. In the beginning of the year, we have learnt Aesop's fable. Fable is nothing but a short story with a moral. Now let us see in this lesson what is the lesson we are going to learn. Ryokan was a monk who lived in Japan. He was a well-known teacher and a poet and a calligrapher. Now here in this lesson, Ryokan was a monk. A monk is none other than a priest or a religious. Now this Ryokan, he lived in Japan and he was a very good teacher, a poet and a calligrapher. Now, calligraphy is an art of fine handwriting, and a calligrapher is a person who knows the art of fine handwriting. Now, let's see the next paragraph. One day, he was walking on the beach and he saw that hundreds of starfish had been washed ashore in a storm. The storm had blown over and the starfish was dying in the hot sun. Ryokan began to pick up the starfish one by one. He threw them back in the sea. Now here in this paragraph, what is Ryokan doing? Now he was walking on the beach one day and he saw that hundreds of starfish was washed ashore in the storm. Ashore means nothing but the starfish were just thrown on the shore because of a storm. Now all these starfish are used to living in water because we know that the fish lives in water and they breathe the oxygen in the water. As soon as they are ashore, they were dying and it was hot at that time. Now, Ryokan, he began to pick up one by one the starfish that was there on the shore and he was throwing it back into the sea. The next paragraph. What's the use? Said his disciple who was watching Ryokan. There are hundreds of fish dying. Throwing back a few of them will not make any difference. Ryokan picked up another fish. Now, as Ryokan was picking up one fish after the other and throwing them back into the sea, one of his disciples who was watching him, a disciple is a follower. So Ryokan's follower, a disciple, asked him a question and he was saying, what is the use of you just picking one fish at a time and throwing them into the sea? What is it going to happen? No difference at all. Because there were hundreds of fish dying and throwing one or a few will not make any difference. But Ryokan continued what he was doing. He picked up another fish and he threw it into the sea. The next few lines. It will make a difference to the little fish, said Ryokan, throwing the fish back into the sea. Now here we read that Ryokan was determined to do what he wanted. He said, though I am throwing one fish at a time, few fish will be helped, but it will make a difference to the little fish who is being helped. And he continued to do this. My dear children, here he meant, though he could not save all the starfish, hundreds of them were there ashore, but he was happy that at least he is saving the lives of few of them. Now, it is a lesson for us to learn that whenever we have an opportunity to help someone, we should help them because even the smallest of help can change the life and bring a big difference in the lives of people. When help is needed, it is important to give whatever help you can give. Thank you.